16th, and I'm going to be looking at Nvidia here. So just straight off the bat, just going down to a 15-minute time frame. Ideally, I would like to see, say about these lows right here get taken out. And then if you also just keep in mind here, and it's just a quick analyzation. See, we have a small fair value gap here, nothing too crazy. Market's about to open, so we'll see what we get, if we can get a reaction off of here, or if price will sell off to come to take these lows. So this is the determining factor at this zone right here. So market's about to open. Let's go to a 1 minute. Coming down to this area, I'm gonna be looking at 460 calls, and I'm gonna be taking 10. Not yet, not yet. Gonna look for, all right, so here, let's see if what price can do. See if we can come to this area here. Going down to a 15-second. And if we can break this high on a breakout, then that'll be the breakout entry that I take, but we can see here we're not getting it, and I'm placing an order for calls now in. So I'm filled for calls right off of this area here. And just talk through this whole position. Don't know exactly what spot within here I got filled at, but let's just say the top, for example. And we can see here, this trade is taking off. So right now on my position, I'm up $900, which is about 20%. So for terms of the target, I would like to see somewhere within here get taken out. These highs up here. So we'll just sit and watch for this to play out. So you can see here, it didn't take a whole lot of charting. All it took is a couple zones, a couple arrows, just to figure out what direction price should go. Now, when you've been trading and you have, you know, the knowledge of, hold on, now I'm up $1,200 on this position, 25%. But when you've been trading for, you know, quite some time, you understand what to look for within the markets. It'll be very easy to identify what you need to look for, rather than, you know, having a bunch of lines all over the place, price labels and whatnot. It's not necessary at all. And you can see here, I charted all this stuff out within the span of 30 seconds and made about $1,200. So you can see here where I wanted price to go to hit exactly perfect. Target hit perfectly right there. We can see here, we might still run a little more. So yeah, perfect, just like that. We can see here, price is still going. Now let's go to a higher time frame, like 1 hour. Don't really see much there. On 15-minute, you can see here we have all of that right there. So ideally, that will probably be like the highest point, but this trade was very good. It was a very good trade. I'm up 27%. I'm gonna start closing out some of this position. And you can see here, we just hit that higher time frame area, just like I said. So this is what you would call a sniper entry. This is an entry that is, you know, just so on point that it ideally is probably the best position you probably could have caught on this stock. And we can see here it's still running. Right now I'm up 33%. Now I'm up 36%, $1,700. Very good. So I am about to fully close this trade. But I might just leave a little runners, some more runners, just to see what happens. Up 1750. This was a very clean trade. So the range from where I entered was a 30-cent range, and this was all to capture a $5 move. So risk to reward wise, this was a very, very excellent trade. Very good. So I'm about to conclude this video because today is Monday, and you know on Mondays when you trade, premiums are dumb expensive, so there's not really a whole lot that you want to be looking to trade. So if you can catch one good trade, one good entry on Monday, I mean, that's a great start to your week. So as I said in the last video, if you want to learn how to do things like this and make trading very simple and just not super complicated, feel free to apply to my mentorship. The application will be in the description. All right, so closing this trade now. All right, just closed the trade. So I made a little over $2,000, 43% on this trade here. And that was all within the span of 5 minutes. So here you have it right here. Very great trade. We can see it's still playing out, still running. Very, very clean trade. So now what I would expect price to do is come take out this high here. Very, very clean trade. So there you have it. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.